This is an urgent video because OpenAI held their first ever developer conference. It's filled with exciting updates, so fellow scholars, get ready. This is GPT-4 Turbo. This enhanced AI version boasts 3 significant improvements. First, it now handles a longer context length, jumping from 832K to 128,000, a 4x increase. This means we can input up to 300 pages of content, from textbooks to company rules, legal info, math, or video game ideas, and engage in detailed discussions with it. Secondly, GPT-4 Turbo follows instructions more accurately. Third, it introduces seed parameters for consistent outputs, eliminating random variations in answers for repeated questions. Plus, the knowledge cutoff has been updated from September 2021 to April 2023, ensuring more current information. OpenAI also promises to keep the AI more up to date. All these enhancements are now integrated into ChatGPT, which uses GPT-4 Turbo. But there's more. GPT now communicates more naturally. The integration of voice input, powered by Whisper, marks a significant leap. We've seen in a previous episode how Whisper can transcribe hours-long podcasts almost instantly with minimal errors, rivaling a professional human. And with Whisper now in its 3rd version, its performance has improved even further. This is indeed groundbreaking news from 2-Minute Papers, with Dr. Karoli Zolnai-Feher. The integration of voice input into GPT, powered by Whisper, represents a significant advancement. Whisper's ability to transcribe long, several-hour podcasts nearly instantly with minimal errors is a game-changer. This level of accuracy is comparable to that of a professional human transcriber. With the release of Whisper version 3, this technology has improved even further, enhancing GPT's natural language capabilities and making it more versatile and user-friendly. The improvements in Whisper's technology contribute to making voice interactions with GPT more efficient and accurate, marking a substantial step forward in AI-powered communication tools. The recent advancements in GPT-4 Turbo are indeed remarkable. Not only has it become significantly more efficient and faster than its predecessors, but it has also become more affordable, 2 to 3 times cheaper than the regular GPT-4. This cost reduction is impressive, especially considering the enhanced capabilities it offers. The speed improvements in GPT-4 Turbo are noteworthy. Despite being the potentially slowest version we'll see in the future, it already outperforms previous versions in terms of speed, indicating a promising trajectory for subsequent versions. Additionally, the user experience has been streamlined. The cumbersome model picker has been removed, and the AI now relies more on its knowledge base, resorting to browsing the internet only when necessary. This makes for a more efficient and user-friendly experience. But the most groundbreaking update is the introduction of customizable GPTs. Users can now build their own ChatGPT with specific instructions and publish it themselves. This feature opens up a world of possibilities, from creating lesson planners for millions of middle school students to generating full graphic designs from a single text prompt. Moreover, these custom GPTs can be integrated with Zapier, which connects to over 6,000 applications. This integration allows for various functionalities like summarizing your day, managing calendar conflicts, and automating communications based on your schedule. Remarkably, building these custom GPTs doesn't require extensive engineering or programming knowledge. They can be created through natural language, making this technology accessible to a wider audience. These bots can be given identities, names, and even generate their own profile pictures using DALL-E 3, further personalizing the experience. These developments not only demonstrate the technological advancements in AI, but also indicate a significant shift towards more personalized, accessible, and efficient AI tools for a diverse range of applications. The advancements described here highlight a significant shift in AI development and accessibility. Just a year ago, creating a sophisticated chatbot was a feat achievable only by large companies. Now, with GPT-4 and its customizable versions, anyone can create a chatbot tailored to specific needs or interests. This democratization of AI technology is indeed remarkable. The ability to upload transcripts, like those from Sam Altman's lectures, and integrate them into a chatbot is a powerful feature. It allows the bot to not only draw upon the vast knowledge base of GPT-4, but also to incorporate the specific insights and style of the uploaded content. The resulting chatbot can mimic the style and knowledge of a specific individual, like Sam Altman in this case, providing a unique interactive experience. The upcoming GPT store, likened to the App Store for AI apps, represents a potential historic moment. The advancements described here highlight a significant shift in AI development and accessibility. Just a year ago, creating a sophisticated chatbot was a feat achievable only by large companies. Now, with GPT-4 and its customizable versions, anyone can create a chatbot tailored to specific needs or interests. This democratization of AI technology is indeed remarkable. The ability to upload transcripts, like those from Sam Altman's lectures, and integrate them into a chatbot is a powerful feature. It allows the bot to not only draw upon the vast knowledge base of GPT-4, but also to incorporate the specific insights and style of the uploaded content. The resulting chatbot can mimic the style and knowledge of a specific individual, like Sam Altman in this case, providing a unique interactive experience. The upcoming GPT store, likened to the App Store for AI apps, represents a potential historic moment in AI research. This platform will not only enable the sharing and distribution of a wide range of AI applications, but also potentially allow creators to monetize their creations. Users could, for example, create niche services like a doggy hotline and turn them into a source of income. The sheer scale of ChatGPT's integration into everyday life and business is astounding. With 100 million weekly active users and widespread adoption by 92% of Fortune 500 companies, ChatGPT has become a ubiquitous tool in a remarkably short time. This rapid integration speaks volumes about the technology's utility and adaptability. Additionally, the rise of startups that create thin wrappers, or layers over GPT, indicates a new wave of innovation. These wrappers allow even a single programmer to build complex applications quickly and efficiently, leveraging the capabilities of GPT. Finally, the mention of InstructGPT, a paper from January 2022, suggests ongoing research and development in making AI more responsive and tailored to specific instructions. This continuous evolution of AI, especially in natural language processing and user interaction, is pushing the boundaries of what these technologies can achieve. The progress in AI over the past 1.5 years, as described, is indeed astonishing. The evolution from InstructGPT, which was perhaps a precursor to ChatGPT, to the present state of technology, showcases rapid and groundbreaking advancements. In this short period, GPT has expanded its capabilities to not only process and generate text, but also to see, listen, hear, and speak. The introduction of GPT-4 Turbo and DALL-E 3 further underscores the rapid pace of innovation in this field. What's particularly noteworthy is the diverse range of applications that have emerged. For instance, AI is now being used to create commentators for esports like League of Legends, a testament to its versatility and adaptability. The ability to input a paper and have a meaningful conversation about its contents opens up new avenues for research and learning. The first law of papers, as mentioned, emphasizes the importance of viewing research as a process and looking ahead to future possibilities rather than just focusing on the current state. This perspective is crucial in the fast-evolving world of AI, where each new development lays the groundwork for the next. The sentiment that these advancements feel like a decade's worth of research rather than just 1.5 years reflects the exponential growth and transformative impact AI is having across various sectors. The excitement and enthusiasm conveyed in the message about being part of this era of rapid technological advancement is infectious. It's indeed a fascinating time to be involved in or observe the field of AI as it continues to reshape our understanding of what's possible with technology.